Well, maybe this is long overdue. NVIDIA is planning a major overhaul of its CUDA platform, which is essential for programming on its powerful GPUs, especially for AI. Instead of focusing on individual GPUs, they're aiming to create a single system that can migrate and run AI programs across massive data centers filled with hundreds of thousands of GPUs. A key architect, Stephen Jones, explained that the future of AI involves using many GPUs together. The company is working on something called CUDA DTX, which is a next generation CUDA designed to work across entire data centers. He admitted that the final version is still a couple of years away and could look very different. Now, CUDA is currently very vital for making NVIDIA GPUs work for AI. It includes the tools that programmers need, like libraries and compilers. Even if developers use open source tools, they often end up using CUDA somewhere in the process because major AI frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch are optimized for NVIDIA's hardware and CUDA. Now, NVIDIA is pretty tight-lipped over the future of CUDA. They do release new versions with every GPU generation or when the architecture is updated, like, for example, CUDA 13 for the Hopper architecture, but there's been no mention of CUDA 13 for the newer Blackwell GPUs. However, a spokesperson said that they'll keep updating CUDA based on changes to its programming interface, but they don't expect to change the name or the versioning of it. So NVIDIA's CEO envisions data centers as giant computers packed with their GPUs. Of course they do. Why not? And NVIDIA is doing very well in the AI front. CUDA DTX fits this vision by creating a single system to manage all those GPUs. So the current CUDA breaks down programs into small little parts to be processed on individual GPUs. CUDA DTX will need to connect applications to hardware that's spread across many GPUs. Jones pointed out that managing a single CUDA runtime across many GPUs will bring new challenges, as what works well on one GPU might not work well on a massive scale. Now, Jones outlined two parts of CUDA DTX. First, a unified machine model, and this will make all different parts of the system, so the GPUs, the CPUs, the networking, etc., look the same to programmers, and this means developers can write their programs once instead of needing different versions for each type of chip. Jones highlighted that NVIDIA's advance in making both the hardware and software, allowing them to optimize how they work together. Second, a unified runtime will handle launching instructions, creating work, and managing resources across the entire distributed system. This includes things like managing parallel operations across the network of GPUs. Jones emphasized the importance of being able to manage memory easily across different hardware. While the final design of CUDA DTX is still in development, NVIDIA is aiming to make it easier for programmers to use their GPUs for large-scale AI applications. They have a team working on the underlying technology so that developers can focus on building their programs. There is no stopping AI at this point. It's just going forward, whether you like it or not. Please let me know your thoughts on NVIDIA and CUDA and as well AI.